Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I've come here with one more recipe, a sundal or salad, chickpea salad. Here I have some sprouted chickpea or channa as we call in Hindi. So I have used the sprout maker and I have sprouted for 2 days. This channa is very nutritious, good source of protein. Here are the ingredients. I have some asafoetida, some coconut, black gram split, turmeric and salt, red chilies dried, some seasoning, mustard, curry leaves. So we can get into it. Here I have used a pan. I just sauteed it some vegetables, so I'm using the same pan. That is why you can see some black color. Otherwise it's a clean pan. So I just sauteed something, and so using the same pan, I have taken about 2 tablespoons of oil. I used olive oil for this. It's a very healthy, nutritious dish. Those who are trying for weight loss or muscle building, you can try this. So I've just sprouted and taken it without steaming or boiling them. You can also use it after boiling or cooking the channa. Here I have added some mustard, about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So when they start to crackle, you can add some curry leaves. You can see they started crackling, so I'm adding some black gram. These are also 1 teaspoon. So allow them to roast a little. It gives a nice aroma and turns into reddish brown. I'm adding some dried red chilies to give some heat to the salad, or sundal as we call it in Tamil, in the southern part of India. Tamil Nadu is a state in the southern part of India. So from there it gets its name sundal. Some curry leaves. This is also made as a prasadam in Hindu temples. I'm adding some asafoetida. It's always good to add asafoetida when you are using some lentils or dal. Turmeric, a pinch of it. Just saute a little. This is the seasoning for the sundal. Then I am adding the sprouted channa or chickpea. This is the black one or brown one. So this is not cooked. You can also add after cooking. The other things, the procedure is the same. Just cook the channa and add it. I'm adding some turmeric now and just give it a nice mix. So it is already softened by soaking for 2 days and sprouting. so you can eat it raw. It's good for your health. So I'm just mixing it. Test the salt content. If you want, you can add a little more according to your taste. Now I'm adding the grated coconut. I'm using the frozen one. You can add the fresh one. It gives a better taste. So I didn't have it, so I'm using the frozen one. Finely grated coconut. Just give everything a nice mix and your dish is ready to eat. You can eat this as a single dish. For those who are health conscious and trying weight loss, this is a very good dish, nutritious, full of protein, fiber, and also it tastes very good. I'm just allowing it to saute a little, so it's nice, hot and little cooked. No need to steam it or cook it. It's finally ready. You can see the look of it. So delicious and tasty. Kids will love it. You try this at home. Let me know how it came and how you liked it. This is sundal or chickpea salad. Definitely try it and let me know. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you all for watching once again. Enjoy with your friend and family. Thank you.